When I wrote Jamb last year, I was sort of tensed. I didn't get my admission for last year because I was scared of physics. So I didn't pick physics during my combination. I didn't pick, physics wasn't part of my combinations. But this time around it was different because number one, I prepared early. And then I met Prepclass tutors. The physics teacher was particular enough to help me to learn the things that I won't be taught in the regular class. Like things that are experiential, that are not just A, B, C is A, and that is that. He gave me the applied knowledge of everything, and then I could share my thoughts with the teacher. I could move at my own pace, and then call the teacher back wherever I call the Prepclass tutor back wherever I did not get or I did not follow whatever he's saying. So it was quite interesting for me, and then engaging in the fact that we always have assignments after each class, so I can recall the things I've done and be sure to myself that I have actually understood the concepts of what I learned. So Prepclass is engaging, very engaging. That it's not like the normal classes where we use chalk and so on. Here we use charts, we use acronyms, the teacher try their very best to give you all the tools that you need to recall whatever you have been taught. So last year I made 259 all by myself without any aid, and this year I made 305 with as in physics included, and with the aid of Prepclass.